Hello everybody, Scout Cronin Spotter 1999 here, and welcome to Shrewsbury, situated on the Welsh Marches line. Down there's the 1325 Arriva Cranes Wales service to Holyhead. It's a 175, don't know what 175 it is, but it came from Cardiff, and that is an alterated crane that was supposed to go on platform 3, but has gone on platform 4 instead. Here we have a service bound for, I imagine, Aberystwyth and Pwllheli. Also just leaving, I think, is the 175 that brought me in from Chester off to Cardiff Central. I'm not sure where that is, but we have, here it is. Yeah, that's off to Cardiff Central with the 1315, which is delayed by 8 minutes. Fortunately enough though, it's had about a 3-minute wait here, so it got us in 5 late because of something wrong at Wrexham. So today here at Shrewsbury you'll be seeing services by Arriva Cranes Wales, London Midland and one Virgin crane. Most likely a Virgin Voyager. Won't be anything else. Shrewsbury is a massive hub for Arriva Cranes Wales, as a massive fraction of their services are Arriva Cranes Wales operated. There's only one London Midland train an hour, and there's only 2 Virgin Cranes services a day. So yeah, it's one of them stations. This is the 1329 service, and also we have the arrival of the 1335 Arriva Cranes Wales service to, wait, where's this off to? Oh wait, I'm wrong, I think. So we have 158834. And 158828. And I think these are off to, yeah, they are off to Aberystwyth and Pwllheli, these 2. My mistake. So this is going to be the 1335 Arriva Cranes Wales service to Birmingham International via Wolverhampton and Birmingham New Street. So then, let's see what shall arrive and depart here at Shrewsbury. Enjoy, ladies and gentlemen. Okay then, departing now is going to be the 1329 Arriva Cranes Wales service to Aberystwyth and Pwllheli. The front one is off to Aberystwyth and the rear is off to Pwllheli. Oh, some ferocious clag there. So we have 158828 and 158834, I think it was. Yes, it was 834. And as that turns right on a reversal away, I think. Yep, as it's reversed out from here. So it's like a secondary terminus point kind of thing. It's what I always think of when trains reverse. I always think of them as a secondary reversing point. I mean a secondary terminus, sorry. Okay, departing now is going to be the 1335 Arriva Cranes Wales service to Birmingham International from Aberystwyth and Pwllheli. Just watch that start up. absolutely adore the engine line on that. And now as that has moved out the way, we can see a brief outlook of platform 7 and 5 and 4. So we got a 153 off to Swansea very soon, and we have 170 505 twinned with another 170, which I'm not 100% sure what it is, but well, it's a 170, that's all I can say. And now on platform 7B, there's supposed to be 2 Arriva Crohn's Wells, one heading to Cardiff Central from Holyhead, I think it is, and the other heading from Milford Haven from Manchester Piccadilly. So let's see that very soon, hopefully. Okay, I'm feeling extremely lucky today because, well, there's a Class 67 arriving in. What an absolute surprise. I'm not sure what 67 is, but I thought they ran on weekdays actually. That is a very, very, very big surprise. I'm very, very surprised, but this is an additional service. This is the 1333 Arriva Crohn's Wales service to Cardiff, doing limited stops. For next stop will be Hereford, so oh, if I waited I could have got on that as well. Damn it. Oh well, we'll watch that depart any minute now. Okay, departing now is going to be the 1333 Arriva Crohn's Wales service to Cardiff Central, doing limited stops, or as the weekday service call it, North-South Premier. Don't know if it is, but you know. So we have 66022. That's pretty special, I have to admit. That is pretty special. And the DVT on the rear is, oh, it is the North-South Premier. Oh my god, it is. It's 82307 on the North-South Premier route to Cardiff Central from Holyhead. That is pretty damn good, that. I nearly swore then, didn't I? I'm very, very impressed to seeing that. Really am. That's the first time I've ever seen this North-South Premier. I've seen the normal Manchester Holyhead DVT quite a few times, but that's pretty, that's good, that's really good. Wonder why that's running now on a weekday. Maybe it might do a weekday service, I don't know. Okay, I think the 1340, yes it is the 1340 Arriva Crohn's Wells service is now leaving to Milford Haven from Manchester Piccadilly with 175103, I think that was. Yeah, there it is. Heading on its way around the corner now. So that'll give clearance for the London Midland behind me to take off any minute. I'm enjoying Shrewsbury, I really am. It's a lot better than last time I came. I mean, actually I'm not sure because Kieran was with me and I'm on my own this time. I'm not going to sing because, like, I can't sing, so don't attempt to sing me. And that goes round the corner for its next stop of somewhere, I don't know. I'm not a Welsh person. Actually, it could be Ludlow. Finley! Okay, departing now is going to be 170 505. Absolutely clagging its face off from a bit of hellfire. And we're going to have another one behind it as well. Ooh. With 170. I think that was 509. I'm not 100%. Oh, but it was 509. Getting good at this old guessing lark, aren't I? And then we should have the arrival of That's delayed by 11 minutes. We should have the next train, should be the Virgin Voyager. I actually thought that was a train then, but it's some idiot on a motorbike, probably. And there that goes round the corner. Okay, coming in to terminate now is going to be a Virgin Voyager from London Euston, terminating here on platform 4 of Shrewsbury. There's going to be, because that's what the tannoy said, and I'm just going to follow the tannoy. Ooh, that looks pretty good actually. And here it comes. So we have 221-105, William Baffin, so this is going to be the first time we see her today. William Baffin 221-105. We'll be seeing her another 3 times. One when it leaves, going to the sidings, coming back, and then departing out. Because there'll still be traffic on this line. Okay then, there goes the Virgin Super Voyager off to the sidings. 221-105 William Baffin. Now on its way to the north sidings, I imagine. I think it will come in on platform 7. So there that goes into the distance. I was actually expecting it to go over where the Arriva is over there, the 158. But there that goes around the corner. And now we're waiting for the 1358 of Ukraine's Wales service to Swansea, which is, as my eyes do not deceive me, 153-320. Looking at that, I'll wait until it gets a bit closer though. Okay, departing now is going to be the 1358 of Ukraine's Wales service to Swansea, taking the long way which avoids Cardiff. I'd like to know which way that is, but I don't. I think it's its own route. It takes its own little route, like, I don't know. So it is 153-320. It's on like about a 3.5 hour journey. Nah. Poor people who are going to Swansea. I would have gone on North-South Premier in my opinion, as there's first class and a restaurant on board. And also we have the arrival of the about 11-minute delayed 1359 of Ukraine's Wales service to Manchester Piccadilly from Milford Haven, which is 112, sorry. And there that goes into an arrival. It's currently running 10 late. I imagine it'll leave 11 late though. Okay then, departing now goes 175 112 off to Manchester Piccadilly with a pretty nice 2-3 tone from the driver there, off to Manchester Piccadilly from Milford Haven.
The next train to arrive at platform 7 is not in passenger service.
Okay then.
Please do not board the next train at platform 7.
I was going to board it anyway, you know, just felt like it. Wonder what that is. I think it might be the crew service. Need to catch that. Okay, arriving in now is going to be a terminating London Midland service from Birmingham New Street. As the tannoy is quite helpful, this was the 1305 London Midland service from Birmingham, and it was originating to terminate here. Also, we should have a crew service behind us. Not yet though. This has arrived in extremely early, about 6 minutes early. So we have 175.03 at the front.
The next train to arrive at platform 7B will be the 1320
There's another double set.
Wales service from Crewe. This train will terminate here.
And there that stops.
The next train to arrive at platform...
Okay, arriving in now is going to be a terminating service from Crewe. It's a 153. This is the 1320 off of Crewe, as it said on the tannoy. So we have 153367, that looks like, or 387. Let me just get a bit closer. No, it's 367. There you go then. Okay, arriving in now is going to be a terminating Aviva Trains Wales service from Aberystwyth. This was the 12:30 service from Aberystwyth, terminating here next to the 170. Also, I found out the rear of the 170. What is it? It is 506 twinned with 503, so they're running a twin set. So we have 158839. It looks like to me. Yep, that's 158839. That is definitely 158839. So that's now arriving in slowly. Yes, I do know there is a lot of Aviva trains here, and I know a lot of people do not like Aviva trains. I personally don't like them, but I like going to stations where there's a lot of one company. It's kind of like, it's like I've always wanted to visit Reading or even Swindon because of the vast amount of Great Western Railway services that come in and out of the station. It's like a big hub. It's like Chester. It's like Chester and Shrewsbury. These two stations are massive hubs for Aviva Trains Wales. Okay, leaving now is going to be 158839 to Shrewsbury Abbey Foregate Depot, I think it's called. That's going to go on the world's shortest movement, and here we have an arrival of another train arriving in, but we'll record this coming out as it gets closer. There that goes, going round the corner. And behind us, I actually have no idea what train this is. This could be absolutely anything, looking at it. There's Crewe, there's London, it's not going to be a London Euston train, it's not going to be going to Holyhead. What's the time now? Let's see what the time is. Now, this could be the 14:33 Aviva Trains Wales to Birmingham International from Holyhead, but it's way too early, and by Aviva standards that's like a miracle. so I'm not ruling that out as the... I think this might be another service, maybe an extended service that I never wrote down. Anyway, I'll have a little check now and investigate, see what's going on then. Okay, arriving in, as you can hear by the flange, is going to be a train. Well, obviously. It's going to be the 1423 Arriva Trains Wales service to Holyhead from Birmingham International. This is delayed by approximately 9 minutes, 10 minutes now then. Which means also, as well, I can confirm that that is the 1433 Arriva Trains Wales service to Birmingham International. So, inbound we have 158823. And also we have 158838. Also the 1433 Arriva Trains Wales service to Birmingham International is now departing. It is 158832 and 822 on its way to Birmingham International via Wolverhampton and Birmingham New Street. And there that goes, going round the corner now, with a flange going away like mad. Ow! Ow! Ow, that hurts. That really hurts. And like it's all the way over there. Well, I know everyone in Shrewsbury have just heard that. Okay, departing now are gonna be I forgot the numbers already. I know the rear one's 838, I think the front is 828. And that's going to be forming the delayed 1423 Arriva Trains Wales service to Holyhead from Bristol. I don't know what Bristol. Birmingham International. I found out every time I make mistakes, it's because I'm getting extremely tired. And yeah, if you do wonder, I do make a lot of mistakes. I'm always tired. I'm not being funny, I'm actually being serious. I'm always tired.
The next train to arrive at platform.
Okay, arriving in now is going to be the 1445 Arriva Trains Wales service to Tenby from Manchester Piccadilly. This is going via Cardiff, Swansea, Carmarthen, also Newport and Hereford, all the big stations around there. So we'll catch the numbers of it when it comes a bit closer and departs. Okay, departing now is going to be 170, 506 and 503 with the 1447 London Midland service. To Birmingham New Street. And there's 503 on the rear. And also departing, we're going to have the Arriva Cranes Wales 175. It's 175 108, that looks like to me. There it is, on its way. And there goes the London Midlands 170 unit. And there that goes off to Tenby from Manchester Piccadilly. So there goes the London Midlands Birmingham, and there goes the Arriva turning the opposite way to Tenby. There's a 170 rev up. Okay then, just over there, just popped its face around, is 221105 I imagine, on its way forming a service, but actually it's forming the 1524 Virgin Super Voyager service to London Euston. That is now stationed at platform 7. As it's just said. There you go, so it's there now. Okay, arriving in now is going to be the 1456 Arriva Cranes Wales service to Manchester Piccadilly, originating from Carmarthen. We have a scheduled freight supposedly passing by any moment now, but I doubt it's going to come because it's on the same line as this. But it's 175001. Arriving in that's going to go direct to Crewe, and it's going to follow all the main stops off to Manchester, Wilmslow, Stockport, and also arriving into Piccadilly later on. Okay, arriving in now is going to be the 1515 Arriva Cranes Wales service to Maesteg from Holyhead, formed of a 175. I don't know what 175 it is, but it's a 175. This is going to be our penultimate train of the day, it looks like, because the Virgin Voyager will be our final. So we'll watch that depart and catch the numbers of it when it does go. Okay, departing now is going to be the 15, so I don't know where 13 came from. Arriva Cranes Wales so to Maesteg from Holyhead. So the numbers on it are 175. It's a 2-car set, so I think it's only going to have it's going to be 005 looking at it. Yeah, it's 005. There, that goes off to Maesteg. Next stop Ludlow, and then Hereford, and then some other stations which I cannot pronounce. And there goes the semaphore just slamming down right there. Okay then, arriving in now is going to be I have no idea what it is actually, but it was just out of the blue, must be early. It's going to be the 1533 Arriva Cranes Wales service to Birmingham International 158819. and also 158 821 from Aberystwyth and Pwllheli. And the sun is starting to set, so should be near the time for the Virgin Super Voyager to depart. Another 4 minutes until it departs. Okay then, arriving in now is going to be a 170 from Birmingham New Street. This should be forming the, well, this actually, God, everything's coming in right now, because this said this was cancelled. That wasn't supposed to be coming in for another 5 minutes. So we have 176, I mean, yeah, 634. Just that everything comes at once. I don't really like that. And again, yeah, we have the 1528 Aviva Crones Wales service to Holyhead from Cardiff Central. It's going to be 175006. This was going to be my train home, but it doesn't look like that. So Shrewsbury is absolutely packed now. So there that goes into arrival on platform 3. Also, any minute now we should have the Virgin Voyager ready to depart. But there's no sign of it. There's no sign of it departing yet. Okay, our final train of the day then is going to be the 1524 Virgin Voyager service to London Euston, calling Wellington, Telford, Wolverhampton, Birmingham New Street, Birmingham International, Coventry, Watford Junction, and ended up in London Euston in about 2.5 hours time in an estimation. So there's 221105 with William Baffin. As that departs quite quietly, I'll tell you a little special thing about 221105. It's scared of barriers. Or not barriers, buffers. Because of it's had an accident at Chester where it overran buffers, so I would have wished to see that at Chester again, just for the banter, just to say ha 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 ha, look where you pretty much head-butted yourself. And as that goes around the corner anyway, I shall conclude my Shrewsbury video there. So thank you ladies and gentlemen for watching. I do hope you have enjoyed. If you have enjoyed, feel free to like and subscribe. That would be very appreciated. Any comments, questions, anything about my channel, any station recommendations, leave in the comments section and I'll get back to them as soon as I possibly can. So flanger away goes the Virgin Voyager. I have absolutely adored this station today. I mean, I've revisited once. There was no Virgins and there were no North-South Premier Aviva special trains, which always one on the weekday, which I am extremely happy about. I have really enjoyed this station, really have. It's a great station, and there's another train coming in. I'll keep saying. Yeah, it's just been a fantastic station. The weather's not been too bad either. I mean, a bit cool, but yeah. My next station is going to be my 800 sub-special on the Glasgow area. I'm doing like Croy, Motherwell, Carluke, stations like that, in Partick even. So yeah. So we'll walk this arrival and I'll draw my video to a close. So this is they're going to be the 15:30 Aviva Trains Wales service to Aberystwyth and Pwllheli. So that is 158825 and 158836. So yes, for me here at Shrewsbury, I shall see you guys next time in Glasgow area. I don't know what station I'm doing, but I'll see you all then. See you later guys, and take care of yourselves. Bye all.